In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the most popular cryptocurrency coin, Ethereum. Ethereum price per day from August 2015 to February 7, 2022. The Ethereum price in USDT soared to new heights in November 2021, reaching over 4800 US dollars. Much like Bitcoin, the price of Ethereum went up in 2021, but for different reasons altogether. Ethereum, for instance, hit the news when a digital art piece was sold on the world's most expensive NFT for over 38,000 Ethereum or 69.3 million US dollars. Unlike Bitcoin, for which the price growth was fueled by the IPO of the US biggest crypto trader Coinbase. The rally on Ethereum came from technologies development that caused much excitement among traders. First, the so-called Berlin update rolled out on the Ethereum network in April 2021 and update meant to pave the way of reduced Ethereum gas price or reduced transaction fees. Second, the arrival of Uniswap v3 in May 2021, a smart contract protocol, is expected to further optimize Ethereum trading. And then we discuss about Ethereum's future and the DeFi industry. Price development on Ethereum are difficult to predict but can't be seen without the world of DeFi or decentralized finance. This industry was technology to remove intermediates between parties in a financial transactions. One examples of is include crypto wallets such as Coinbase wallet that grew in popularity in recent years. Which other examples including smart contractor, Unswap, Maker, reasonable for stablecoin DAI, Moneylender, Dharma and market protocol Compound. Ethereum's future developments are tied with his industry. Unlike Bitcoin or Ripple, Ethereum is technically not a currency but an open source software platform for blockchain applications, with Ether being the cryptocurrency that is used inside the Ethereum network. Essentially, Ethereum facilities DeFi, meaning the if DeFi doesn't well, so does Ethereum. And next we discuss NFTs, the most well-known applications of Ethereum. NFTs or non-fungible tokens grew nearly tenfold between 2018 and 2020. As can be seen in the market cap of NFTs worldwide, these digital blockchain assets can essentially function as a unique code connected to a digital file, allowing to distinguish the original file from any potential copies. This application is especially prominent in crypto art, although there are other applications, gaming, sports, and collectibles are other segments where NFT sales occur. The market size of NFT is different segments worldwide 2018 to 2021. NFT projects in both art and gaming were both worth several millions of US dollars in 2020, but were much smaller compared to figures in 2021. Non-fungible tokens or NFT are unique, non-transferable digital assets stored in blockchain. When purchasing one of these using a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, you get a digital blockchain backed certificate of authority. For this reason, they are often used to prove the ownership of digital files, including GIF, JPEG, or MP3 formats. Once files are uploaded and not fungible token on blockchains, they can be offered for sale since it would be always possible to distinguish the original file from the copies shared online.